Hello to everybody. Today we have to discuss about Dirichlet's conditions for Fourier series and Fourier series of functions with period 2p. Recapitulation: Dirichlet's condition, definition of Fourier series, derivation of Fourier coefficients a0, ak. These are learning objectives. And these are the session outcomes. Prerequisites: trigonometry, summation notation, complex number manipulation, and linear algebra. So these are the basic results to derive Euler's formula. Fourier series of functions with period 2π. So first we have to consider Fourier series in the interval minus p. Now multiply both sides of this series by sin kx and integrate between the limits minus p and p. So we get this one. So here we have to multiply by sin kx so this is by using result 1. Next we have integration of minus p to p sin nx sin kx into dx is equal to 0 by using result 3, and this is by using result 2. And finally we get bk is equal to 1 by p integration of minus p to p f of x sin kx dx. So thus the Fourier series for f of x is given by f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx. Here a0 is this one, this is ak, and this one is bk. So the values of a0, ak, bk, here k is equal to 1, 2, 3 given by above formula are called Euler's formula. Note: since the function f of x is periodic with period 2p, the interval of integration in the above formula can be replaced by any other interval of length 2p. For example, so instead of interval minus pp, we may take the interval 0 to 2p. So second note, so here we have to use Bernoulli's generalized rule of integration by parts. This one, integration of u dx is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. Here dashes denotes differentiation and these suffixes are integration. So here we have to use sin n pi is equal to 0 and cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. In particular, cos of 2n pi is equal to 1 and cos of 2n plus 1 into pi is minus 1. So these are the two formulas we have to use in Fourier series. Session summary: Dirichlet's conditions, Fourier series of functions with period 2π. Multiple choice questions. First one, which of the following is not Dirichlet's conditions for the Fourier series expansion? Answer is D. Second one, what is 1 plus minus 1 raised to n when n is equal to 3? Answer is B, 0. Third one, what is 1 plus cos 2n pi when n is equal to 1? Answer is A, 2. Fourth one, what is 1 plus cos n pi when n is equal to 4? Answer is again 2. Fifth one, what is 1 plus minus 1 raised to n when n is equal to 52? Answer is B, 2. These are the reference books for this session. Thank you very much.